Good morning, friends. Man, we had a great night's sleep here last night. We're a little free campsite near Hayes in Arkansas. We were going to get up and get out of here early, but we have really been enjoying our morning. Vicki had her coffee. I had my Pepsi. We do need to hit the road, though. We are heading east. We're going to try to do some lunch in Nashville. Let's do this thing, guys.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So we're going to stop for lunch in Nashville in a little bit. And we're going to stop for gas before then. I brought my little oven, so I'm going to throw some cookies in the oven. What, fresh baked cookies for dessert. Should be yummy, and my van will smell great. Alright, so this is the little oven, and these are the cookies. And I just lined it with a little bit of tin foil. Easy cleanup. So I just popped 4 of them in. That's about all that'll fit. Let's see how this works. Yum. Turned out just right. Yum. Alright, well that was yummy. And now we're off to Knoxville. Hopefully we'll make it that far. I've already driven about 400 miles today. Oh well. I think it is. Homemade camper. Great. So we had talked about camping in a Walmart parking lot tonight, but we talked ourselves out of it. So we got online and looked for cheesy campgrounds near us. Hopefully this one will fit the bill. I don't remember what the name of it is. I just started Googling campgrounds near me, and we're going down some backcountry road looking for a campground. Should be an adventure. Vicki washed my windshield for me. That was nice of her.
Take the next right onto Anglers Cove Road.
So it's called Riley Creek. Huh. I don't know about this.
Continue on Anglers Cove Road for 1 mile.
Okay. Alright. Well, let's check this out. Huh. Alright, so the guy came out and said, if you give me your money and text me your name and your address, we won't bother you tonight. Just go down and pick a site, text me which site you're in. Okay. Alright, well this is lovely. This is lovely. Yeah, the sites aren't level at all, but well, the parking spots right here are. I don't know that these are campsites, actually. This is probably just the picnic area. Huh. Okay. Alright, so we got a lakefront site. It's a little windy out there. That's why I'm tucked in my van. This will do for the night. And it does beat a Walmart parking lot. Barely, but it does. Well, what do you think, Rue? Is this better than a Walmart? Heck yeah, there's geese and I can get out, he says. Can you hear the goose? Oh, he's flying off behind me. I wonder if that was her way of saying cat, cat, cat. I don't know. Anyway, so it really is too windy to film anymore today, and I'm really tired. We drove about 500 miles today, so I think we're just going to kick back, chill out, maybe build a little campfire, probably go to bed early. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me on this little adventure. It's been fun so far. I hope the rest of the trip continues on just the way it started. Anyway, thanks again. Y'all take care and stay lost, my friends.